Check this out, this is the Type 3 DCN692 brushless framing nailer from DeWalt. This is a completely gasless nailer. It's capable of driving 90mm nails into softwood, 63mm into hard. And this gun's more powerful than Type 2, and DeWalt's done that by putting the concrete nailer's motor inside. It gives it 22% more kinetic energy with every nail. And they've also improved the bump time so you can shoot 2 nails every second. There's 2 fire modes, sequential so you can take your time, and bump mode so you can hold that trigger down and get on with it. And there's 2 firing speeds to suit the job you're doing. If you're only driving 50mm nails, set it to 1, there's less wind up, better performance on your batteries. But if you're driving something bigger, set it to 2, wind it up, drive them home. And if the gun jams, there's a toolless lever up on top to release. This gun's fairly compact, the rubber grip feels good in your hand, and the rafter hook is reversible should you want to hang it on your belt. And if you are going to hang it on your belt, make sure you engage the tool lock. Now it's time for my hot tip. You see people using DeWalt framers online, letting it wind up for an eternity before they actually fire the nail. Stop it. As soon as the gun contacts the material and starts ramping, also squeeze the trigger, and as soon as it's ready, it'll instantly fire. That gives you the best battery life and minimizes your downtime. It's quieter, it's compact, and it's gasless. That's the new framing nailer from DeWalt. You got any questions about this gun? Hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.